Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now, and the Dow soaring to record highs yesterday. We had a couple of big topics going on, tax talk out of Washington, and of course then the Fed move. What do you think?
Yeah, significant activity, Angie, when you look at the markets, and we did see the Dow go to new all-time highs, a very strong showing for the Dow. And also, besides the tax talk, we did get a Fed rate decision yesterday, and it came in what the market had anticipated, a quarter-point hike, and it will be Janet Yellen's last decision as Fed chairman, because that shift change will take place next January.
Right. She is suggesting there will be a very smooth transition as Jerome Powell steps up.
Correct. Yep.
How many more Fed hikes do you think we'll see in 2018?
Well, they were pretty clear in their message. It's interesting, I thought, that it was an 8-2 vote. So actually 2 dissenting votes not to raise rates in yesterday's meeting. So I thought that was interesting. I think they're looking at 3 times next year. They're basically seeing, again, subdued inflation, actually inflation running below their expectations, although they still do see job improvement continuing, and they also see strength in the economy continuing. But with that inflation number low, I think they're going to be pretty slow to move on rate hikes outside of what the expectations are in the marketplace.
And what do you think about the strength of the stock market?
Wow.
It looks like we will have some sort of tax bill coming out here with the Senate and the House agreeing on a measure.
Exactly, and I think that's going to lead into next week, Angie, where we're seeing some strength coming out of the market as well because of what you talked about, what's coming out of Washington, D.C., and you're seeing that bill continue to push forward, and next week I think will be an interesting week.
All right, Dan, you take care of that cold, and thanks for coming on the show today.
All right, thanks for having me, Angie. I will.